Alright, so today we're doing something a little different. I'm going to take the exact same prompt, paste it into 3 different AI image generators, and see which one actually understands the assignment. No tweaks. No prompt engineering tricks. Same words, every time. Here's the prompt I'm using. Generate an iPhone-style selfie that feels accidental. No clear subject, no intentional composition like a random snapshot. Slight motion blur, uneven sunlight causing mild overexposure, awkward angle, messy framing. It should feel deliberately ordinary, like the phone took a photo by accident while being pulled out of a pocket. This is actually harder than it sounds. Most AI tools are trained to make things look good: clean lighting, perfect framing, cinematic vibes. But what I want is the opposite. I want something that feels real. Unplanned. A little ugly, honestly. So let's start with Gemini Veo 3. Gemini is usually very polished. It tends to clean things up, even when you tell it not to. So I'm curious. Will it fight the prompt and try to fix the image? Or can it resist that urge and actually give me something imperfect? Next up, HitPaw Online AI Photo Generator. This one runs completely in the browser, no download, no setup. You just log in. Choose a model. Paste your prompt. And generate. What I'm looking for here is not "wow, that's beautiful." This one's interesting because it's surprisingly good at understanding intent, not just visuals. I want to see if it gets the idea of deliberate mediocrity. Not stylized chaos, but that very specific, boring, accidental iPhone photo energy we've all seen in our camera roll. I have put all the link below that you can hit to try it. And finally, ChatGPT. I'm asking, does it capture the accidental feeling? Does it look like a real phone messed up the shot? Pay attention to things like exposure, blur, and whether the framing feels wrong in a believable way. Honestly, all 3 results are solid. They each interpret the prompt a little differently, but none of them are bad. It really comes down to what kind of look you prefer. If you like something more raw and accidental, HitPaw Online AI Photo Generator might fit you better. If you prefer a cleaner or slightly more stylized result, another one makes more sense. There's no single winner here, just different styles for different needs. Pick the one that matches your taste, and use that tool to generate your images.